Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC, and cheers for checking out the channel today and joining me for this episode. Now we're here at Sprung Landys and LSL 4x4 on the Fylde coast up near Hambleton, and it is the Series II club sort of like almost yearly meet-up and get together. I was here actually last time, sort of this time last year at the end of January, and we're here again. Similar weather as well, I think. It's we've got a break in the weather, it's not peeing it down, so I've come to do a bit of a video and walk around for you. And we're starting off at the end of the line here, and we've got a sort of a late Series 2A and a Series 3 here. So we'll have a stroll down and we'll just have a walk around and see what vehicles have turned up. So I'm going nice late Series 2A. I'm going to get run over, better move out of the way. Mr. Postman. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah, quite a tidy looking thing. Yeah, very busy. Every man and his dog literally is going to come down here now while I try and do this.
Oh, sorry. Radio silence.
So again, so right side hard top Series 3. Apologies for the extra noise. So yeah, as I said, sort of late to Series 3s. Yeah, I wasn't actually paying proper attention then. No, sorry, my mistake. It's not a late Series 3. Yeah, got distracted. Now this is cool, obviously not a Land Rover, but a gentleman who's turned up in this, which is an Armstrong Siddeley. How cool is that? A brief chat with the owner, said there's like only about 1,000 of these left on the road. I think that's worldwide, but I've never seen one of these particular cars before, but that is ace. So either way, good to see. I'm going to move again because I'm going to get run over. So moving here. Now, this again, Series 2A that you can see here. Now I remember seeing this for sale right near where I live in Staining. It was at the Plough Inn car park and a gentleman had it for sale in Staining. So I remember seeing this for sale about, let's say, 7 or 8 years ago. And a chap who lives still pretty local here bought it from a chap in Staining. But so I've seen this one quite a few times. A nice little Series 2A. And we'll stroll down here a little more. And here, that's formerly what I'm guessing is a former ambulance. I'm sure it would have been an ambulance of some sort on the Series 3 109 chassis. Yeah, quite a big looking thing with those bodies on. But yeah, very cool. And then a couple here as well. This is the one I travelled down in today. We came in it last year as well. This is my dad's early 58 Series 109. And if you check out some of my other Land Rover videos, I'm going into a bit more detail on that one. And then I've got obviously a later 110 there. Now this is cool. Always had a bit of a soft spot for these. Land Rover 101 forward control. Again, this is another fairly local vehicle, and of course it is, well, not say of course, but this one is still running its V8 engine, which is ace, because a lot of them, or quite a few, have been converted to TDIs at some point, but this has still got his V8 engine. I think again the owner's had this for about 15 or 16 years. So yeah, always like seeing these, big soft spot for these. Anyway, we'll continue down the line. So we've got a lot, with it being generally a Series 2 club meet. It's not exclusive to Series 2s, but you've got a lot of sort of 2s and 3s here as well. So this is quite cool, I like this. There's also such a thing that's now run every year, and it's called the Patina National Rally. It's been going on for the last few years, and it's basically like a proper old school road tax vehicle trial, and that's always quite good. Well, I say it's quite good. I've seen video footage of it and magazine reports on it, and I'd love to actually be able to get to it at some point. But yeah, so, and this vehicle has been there and taken part. So I remember this one featured recently. I say recently, it was at my Ray Green video last year at the car show there. So this one, a well-known vehicle within the Series 2 club. So anyway, let's have a stroll around the rest of the vehicles. Well, by the looks of it, it's sausage barn time as well. Yeah. Which is cool. Wander through. On wheelbase, again, Series 2A. Now, this just arrived just before I started filming. This sounded lovely because it came in. Quite a smart thing. Again, Series 2. Alloy door tops, by the looks of it, alloy door tops maybe. But yeah, sort of seeing it's sort of slightly later Series 2, it'll be Series 2A. But yeah, in fact, I think it's in the garage, but when we got here this morning, there was a Series 3 truck cab light similar to this in marine blue, and it's got a V8 in it, and it sounded really, really sweet. So if I get chance, and I can, I'll show it you. More line up here, you can see. That's cool, nice Series 3 lightweight as well. And this has been going, looks to be like it's been recently restored or continued to be restored, but very straight, looks very nice. It's had a lot of work done. Running, I think, especially judging by the exhaust on it, running a TDI engine, and it might even have an LT7 gearbox in, looking by the gearbox tunnel there. So I'm getting barked at by a dog. Another 2A with a tropical roof on top of the hardtop. Modified 90. It's been certainly kitted out for off-road use. Sneak in now, look at that. Sneak in there now. Land Rover graveyard down at the back there, as you can see. And again, this is two much earlier Series 2 vehicles there. These are proper Series, say proper, the earlier Series 2s. You can look at the front valance panels there, and they've got the squared off edges to them as well. Now this one is an early one, this is a 58, and that's waiting to have a 2-litre engine put in. It's not got that currently. In fact, the engine block for this 58 was from my dad's 109 that we saw earlier in the videos, the grey Series 1 with the blue ragtop. That engine block is going in this, because it's a 2.25 that's currently in my dad's 109. But yeah, well, as I said, I'm assuming, I mean obviously it's got some other things that have been done to it, but judging by the front, you know, valance on it, it's got a very early valance on. So, I mean, I could be wrong. I'm no Series 2 expert, but I'm assuming it's an early Series 2. So, if I'm wrong, please do let me know in the comments. But I like it. It's definitely used, and I like to see them like this as well. It's got character. So, yeah, now, let's see if I can. Obviously, it's getting noisy now, so you'll have to bear with me. Just sneak in, pass me down. Right, very noisy in here, but this was the Series 3 that came in, and this has got this lovely V8, sounding V8 in it. And I shove the camera there, and there you can see it. There you go, really nice V8 engine in, and it sounds brilliant when it was reversed in. So if you have a quick scan around, you can see we've got forward control 2B, I think, under restoration, and then we've got around the back there, we've got a Series 2A forward control owned by Gardners, a Series 2 Plus, and Sprung Landys owner. So yeah, lots of people here. And there's featured a few times on the video. That's Jim's 6-wheeler. This is a cool thing. Looks to be based on a Discovery as well, and this is obviously done for off-roading. But yeah, based on a Discovery, which is cool. So yeah. So lots here, lots going on.
In the garage.
But yeah, there's nothing like meeting on a morning in the rain staring at old Land Rovers. So yeah, just do a quick walk around back up, and we'll leave it there. So. But yeah, I would say it's always good to see all these vehicles out. So I hope you enjoyed the little stroll around, having a nosy at them. There you go, that was the 109 I mentioned a minute ago. But I do like this ambulance. Looks ace. Now I've not seen inside it, so maybe it's been kitted out as well as a camper inside. I don't know, but it does look cool. For me, another highlight is, of course, the 101. That's ace. It just looks cool. So yeah, as I said, you can't beat a bit of strolling around looking at old Land Rovers. Unless you don't like Land Rovers, I suppose. Yeah, always good fun. So. Okay, fantastic stuff. So there we go. So now everyone's eating sausage barms. So, and I've not got mine yet. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. Right, again, cheers for checking out this video. Much appreciated. If you want to see more Land Rover videos and other cool RC content, please consider checking us out and subscribing to the channel, Andy Robinson RC. And also, if you can join us on Facebook and Instagram under Andy Robinson RC as well. Right, okay. Just walk around. Here we go. Yes, so if you could please subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. I'll have more Land Rover videos coming out throughout the year as the car show weather picks up and we get to do more things. Right, so we're back here where we started. Right, anyway, yeah. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Much appreciated. I'm going to go now because I want my sausage barm. Look after yourselves and take care. And we'll see you all again soon, hopefully, on another video. Take care. See ya.